Hey guys, welcome back to another fun episode of Learning with Fun Gloves. Today's fun gloves are black and white. Whoa, they're zebra gloves. How cool is that? Did you know zebras are actually black animals with vertical white stripes? How cool is that? I always thought it was the other way around. Today we're going to learn about colors with Paw Patrol. We're going to have Paw Patrol help us make eggs, colorful eggs with these markers that matches the Paw Patrol armor. We're going to put the egg inside here, and the Paw Patrol pups are going to help us color the eggs. And then we're going to see who the winner is at the end. Does that sound like fun? All right, let's do it. All right, so first up is going to be Zuma, and Zuma is an orange pup. So that means we have our orange marker. So we have our egg. Let's put it in our little holder here. And Zuma is gonna paint the egg orange. Whoa. Good job, Zuma. Look at that. Oh, you want me to do more over here? Okay. Zuma wants more on the bottom. Wow, that looks good, Zuma. Whoa, look at that. And there's Zuma's egg. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, next up we have Rubble. And Rubble is a yellow pup. Grab our yellow marker, and we have our egg. All right, let's go. All right. That looks awesome. Good job. Good job, Rubble. That's awesome. All right, next up is Rocky. And Rocky is a green pup. Got our green marker. Here we go. All right, Rocky, that looks awesome. I like the lines, that's pretty cool. All right, next up is Marshall, and Marshall is a red pup. And we have our red marker. Wow, I think Marshall's is the best so far. That's pretty cool, Marshall. Way to go. Next up is Skye, and Skye is like a pinkish purple color. Here's Skye's marker. Wow, Skye, that looks really pretty. All right, our next Paw Patrol is Chase, and Chase is a blue Paw Patrol pup. All right, so we have our egg and our blue marker. All right, Chase, you're the last one. Let's paint this egg up. Blue's looking pretty good. Do some squigglies here and there. Right in the middle and on the ends. All right, Chase. What do you think? Looks pretty good. Okay, let's see whose egg looks the best. We have Zuma's orange egg, Rubble's yellow egg, Marshall's red egg, Chase's blue egg, Skye's pink egg, and Rocky's green egg. Which one's the winner? I think it is Skye's pink egg. Good job, Skye. Your egg looks great. Good job. Well, I hope you guys had fun learning about some colors and decorating some eggs while we were at it. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.